they're more engaged. I just keep going back to that. And if you're more engaged, you're learning. That's the belief system that we have. Engage them and they will learn.
I like STEAM challenges. You do a ton of hands-on activities and a ton of science.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful moment. If we hadn't opened the school, if we hadn't dove into STEAM-based learning and project-based learning, that moment would never have happened. And so knowing that because of all this change and all the risks that we're taking has made it to where a student can feel successful doing whatever it is that they're doing.
Just the fact that they know that they have the freedom to build whatever they see in their mind's eye. They're able to go as big as they want to.
They are not afraid to fail and try again. So they are really starting to use those words about I failed, but I tried again and I can do better. I improved it. I made it better.
Hands-on, like I'm into hands-on stuff.
Well, I think anytime you put things in kids' hands, not only are they going to have fun with it, but they're going to remember what they're learning.
We needed more because we are a STEAM school. We needed to have more than toothpicks and cotton balls. All the way from the bebops with the coding up to the straw rocket launchers and the missions that the older grades do. We are very fortunate to have been able to purchase the Pitsco materials.